Greetings everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless keyboards with the TIETI K01R. We'll explore its features, design, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your setup. Let's kick things off by unboxing the TIETI K01R. As we open the package, we're greeted with the sleek and modern design of the keyboard. The compact form factor immediately catches the eye, and the inclusion of a numeric keypad is a definite plus for productivity enthusiasts. Inside the box, we find the keyboard itself, along with a USB cable for charging, and a user manual for quick setup. Taking a closer look at the design, the TIETI K01R boasts a slim and ergonomic profile, making it comfortable for long typing sessions. The black color scheme exudes sophistication, while the scissor switch keys ensure a quiet and responsive typing experience. Despite its lightweight construction, the keyboard feels sturdy and durable, thanks to its metal frame. Now, let's talk about performance. The TIETI K01R utilizes 2.4 GHz wireless technology for a stable and lag-free connection, with a range of up to 10 meters. The inclusion of multimedia shortcuts and a full-size layout with arrow keys and a numeric keypad enhances productivity, allowing for seamless navigation and input. One standout feature is the built-in rechargeable battery, offering an impressive 180 days of usage on a single charge. Plus, it automatically enters sleep mode after 3 minutes of inactivity to conserve energy. Whether you're a Windows user, a Mac aficionado, or even operating on other systems, the TIETI K01R has you covered. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, desktops, and Chromebooks. Users praise its ease of setup and intuitive functionality, making it a versatile choice for both work and leisure. Wrapping up our review, the TIETI K01R wireless keyboard proves to be a standout performer in the realm of wireless peripherals. Its blend of sleek design, long battery life, and responsive keystrokes make it a worthy investment for anyone in need of a reliable typing companion. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a casual user, the TIETI K01R delivers on all fronts, earning our seal of approval here at UK Pro Reviewer. And there you have it, folks. That concludes our in-depth review of the TIETI K01R wireless keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and product insights. Until next time, happy typing!